This video is sponsored by JLCPCB, your reliable partner for high-quality PCB fabrication. Ordering your custom PCB is now made quick and easy with JLCPCB. Just head over to JLCPCB's website using the link in the description. Sign up with your email. Upload your Gerber files. Choose your board specifications like color, quantity, and thickness. Fill in your address, select your delivery option, and make the payment. That's it. Your high-quality PCBs will be manufactured and shipped within days. JLCPCB delivers excellent build quality, precise fabrication, and unbeatable pricing, making it the go-to choice for hobbyists, students, and professionals worldwide. So bring your ideas to life, just like I did with JLCPCB.